Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Maleficent, the iconic Disney villain, but in a fun and spooky retro cartoon style, inspired by classic animation and the expressive bosses from games like Cuphead. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, because it really helps the channel grow and reach more amazing artists like you. Grab your materials, get comfy, and let's bring this powerful villain to life. Let's start with the angry villain eyes, sharp and slightly tilted to give her that intense expression. And remember, if any part feels tricky, just pause the video and take your time. Maleficent is one of Disney's most iconic villains, first appearing in Sleeping Beauty, 1959. She is often referred to as the mistress of all evil. Now draw the long, pointed nose, elegant but exaggerated for that cartoon feel. Her design was inspired by gothic art and theatrical villains. Add the wide mouth showing teeth, giving her that mischievous, sinister grin. The character was originally voiced by Eleanor Audley, who also voiced Lady Tremaine in Cinderella. Draw the upper lip thin and delicate, contrasting with the larger mouth shape. Now shape the cheeks, slightly lifted to enhance the expression. Add the headpiece wrapping around the horns, framing the face like a dramatic crown. Maleficent can transform into a powerful dragon, one of the most memorable scenes in Disney history. Let's move to the horns, tall and curved, forming her iconic silhouette. Her green magic flames became a signature visual element. The character was designed by Disney artist Mark Davis. Maleficent's horns were inspired by traditional depictions of dark fairy creatures. Draw the thin neck, long and elegant, almost fragile in contrast to the pose. Now sketch the slim, cartoon-style torso, slightly curved for a dynamic posture. Add the collar details, sharp and flared, giving her that classic villain elegance. The film Sleeping Beauty is known for its unique, stylized art direction inspired by medieval illustrations. Maleficent represents themes of revenge, power, and pride. In the 2014 live-action film, she was portrayed by Angelina Jolie. This version explores a more emotional and complex side of the character. Let's draw the long dress, flowing down in a smooth and dramatic shape. Refine the bottom edge of the dress, spreading outward with a wavy, shadow-like silhouette. Now draw the left arm in a rubber hose style, smooth, flexible, and expressive. Add the left hand with long fingers and sharp nails in a claw-like pose. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And be sure to check out our full playlist with characters from movies, games, and series. Just click the card above. Now tell me, which character should we draw next? Let's move to the right arm, also curved in that classic rubber hose style. Now draw the right hand, again with sharp, threatening nails like claws. Her raven, Diablo, acts as a spy and loyal companion in the original animation. In some adaptations, the raven can transform into a human-like servant. Maleficent is considered one of the strongest magical beings in Disney lore. Her dramatic poses and expressions make her perfect for stylized cartoon reinterpretations. She has appeared in multiple Disney series, games, and spin-offs over the years. Next, we draw the raven, known as Diablo in the original animation, her loyal companion. In later adaptations, like the live-action film, the character appears with slightly different traits and transformations. Draw the raven's eyes, wide and expressive, showing a bit of fear. Add the open beak, as if reacting to Maleficent's dramatic presence. Now sketch the long neck with feathers, slightly stretched for a cartoon effect. Even decades later, Maleficent remains a symbol of classic villain design and storytelling. Draw the rounded body and perched feet, gripping her arm for balance. For colors, use black and deep purple for the outfit, green for the skin, yellow for the eyes, and red accents for the lips and nails. But feel free to color your Maleficent however you like. And here's our Maleficent, dramatic, spooky, and full of retro cartoon charm. I hope the video inspired you and that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.